Yeah. Hi everyone, myself Harsha. I am PEGA trainer at Harsha Trainings, and I'm going to give you an announcement about the upcoming new batch for on PEGA. So PEGA training new batch which is going to cover CSA, CSSA, everything in depth, that is in a real-time project oriented way. So we are going to work on two different projects, and one is auto insurance project and the other one is going to be like automobile project, and even banking project also we can work on. And moreover, this training that you're going to get here is intended to give you complete information about basic level to in-depth about PEGA, where a resource should be able to work on PRPC independently without the need of anyone else's help. So you'll be able to crack the interviews, you'll be able to work independently after you learn the course, understand the subject in detail. So this will cover from basic layman level. If you are a graduate of BTech, a fresher graduate, or if you are a graduate with a gap after your career education, and if you are a working employee and you have stopped for some reason and you want to restart your career, and in this aspect if you are a female resource, we have different opportunities with companies like TCS and even Cognizant, like these companies, where it is a woman empowerment program, where a career re-begin program. Under that program we can apply for the jobs, and we have the people who got jobs like this where they re-begin the career by learning PEGA. And this is how we can show you job opportunities with good MNC companies and all. And if you are looking for PEGA training where you do wanted to learn some some application development without the need of coding, then the right place is to join PEGA training at Harsha Trainings. So the PEGA training new batch is going to start from July 5th. Timings will be morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. For the resources from USA, it will be evening, usually night time. But still, now at Harsha Trainings, anyone can join from around the globe and can learn at your convenient time. We are providing the video recordings of our sessions, given access to the read-only access to the students. If you are missing any session, or if you are not able to join the session on time, so in the same day, at any point in time, at your convenient time, you can watch the video and gain the knowledge. And that's how across the globe, across 24 hours of time, anytime you can watch the video throughout this training session. So anyone from India, USA, UK, Australia, Canada and Switzerland, Singapore, Malaysia, Netherlands, wherever you are, now you can join trainings irrespective of the timings, because you are being given and provided with video which is going to help you a lot. And it is a live session that will be recorded and shared to you, whoever is going to enroll for the course. And moreover, if you have any questions, any doubts while you're practicing, we are available to solve your queries or doubts and provide you the solution for your the error message, whatever that you're getting. We are always available to sort it out for you. So please don't miss this batch joining. So please note that once again, July 5th, morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time, PEGA training new batch is going to get start. Trainer Harsha. Thank you so much.